Hi everyone, so today I have this kit to share with you that LDRS Creative has brought to HSN for the March Craft Day. It is their Royal Bouquets card kit, so I'm really curious to check this out and see what beautiful stuff lies within here. I will say they did send this item free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and the links out in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Currently with HSN and YouTube, that might be embedded in the video here, something you click on, and then the information will pop up on the right. At the very top of the description box lined up there, but you might have to click show more to see all of that info, and I'll link everything that LDRS Creative has brought for this March. So, look how pretty this is. I love the purples already. Very purple. If you're a purple girl, you're gonna love this. I love that little burgundy, like richer tones in there. Really nice. I'll leave that there for you guys to pause on to see what it says that it all is in here, and then we're just gonna look at everything. So we have our envelopes. Again, I believe this makes 18 cards. You're probably gonna have plenty left over for other things, but so that's gonna be 18 envelopes, I would assume. And then 18 card bases. So these are the card bases. They're already pre-printed, so let's see what that looks like. So a lot of times people want to know if it goes all the way around, and it does go all the way around. And the inside is blank. And they are a good weight. I would say they feel thicker than 85 pounds to me, but not quite 110 pounds. So I don't know if that's a thing in weights of cards. Maybe for card bases it might be, but it feels thicker than that. So really pretty pattern here, with like the pinky kind of purples, and this one's more of the, you know how purple kind of more of a violet tone or like a bluish kind of tone, I suppose. So this one's with this pattern, similar pattern but a smaller perspective on that. And then this cool one looks almost floral, but then if you really look, it's just like these little dewdrop kind of designs. And look at this little stripe, again more of a raspberry on this one. The cool little like stitched stripe. And then here we have a little dot pattern, very cute. Like the dots are kind of, this is upside down, obviously the folds over here, it doesn't matter, it's symmetrical pattern, but there you go. And then this one very similar, but in more of a bluish kind of value or tone. I forget the words value and tone, like what they mean, but there you go. And I guess I'm going back to the front of the card. So then we have these toppers. Look how beautiful this is. Very rich. This one, they have several, I'm assuming 9 and 9 if they have 18 card bases. Black with the silver foiling, and the back is white here. And then they have this one. So this is all black with that silver, and then this one has like a little bit of a design on it. We can kind of see that. And then the gold foiling. And these are 5x7 cards. I don't know if I said that at the beginning, but no. They're a larger card. Let's see all this beauty. Oh my gosh. I suppose when we put this out, we'll just have it to work with. So let me put this down here. I mean, look at these beautiful butterflies. I don't know if I can go through each and every piece. There is a ton, or are a ton of things in here. Some of them have white edges, and some are just like this, like laser cut. I know a lot of times people have preference of one or the other, so I just want to point that out, that you have a mix and match of those kinds of things. Look how pretty. These over here look more laser cut too. So let's see, look at that. And there are, you know, with this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each of that. I'm assuming that's what they're going to do with all of them. Yeah, so there's 5 of each of all those. Look how pretty. And again, with that background there, is that your like daylily? I shouldn't even try because sometimes, like I said, I don't know all the names of all the flowers. And these are more popular flowers here. Very orchid-looking flowers here. Look how pretty, pretty, pretty. And these are ephemera. They are not stickers, I don't think. Let me just double check on that for you guys. I don't want to destroy anything, but yeah, so it's paper backed. It's just paper all the way through. Look, the little birds. And again, those beautiful purples. You have your irises and different plants here. I mean, just a lot going on. All right, more purple like butterflies, longer stems. Just greenery. That's really pretty. I like that. It's always fun to have something like that, because then you just tuck it in. If it looks like something's a little empty, you need a little something else, some greenery tucked in will be great. Look at that. So pretty. Very botanical, of course. Beautiful. So hopefully you can kind of see what's going on down here. Okay, so I'll put this to the side. And the next thing, bottom up, is the sentiments. So we have these guys, so I'll just go to the sentiments. Just the way it came right out of the packaging. And look at this. So we have foil, like this top one. My world is brighter with you by my side. And it looks like there are 3 of each. I truly cherish the moment we share. So these are silvers, and the bottom ones are gold. So let's go through these guys. These are the moments we'll look back on with joy. It looks like that's that. And then the purple ones, the gold line ones. Wishing you every happiness this special day will bring. Remember that you are beautiful in every way, and your kindness means everything to me. Beautiful tones, again, really rich and lovely. And then we have some final die cuts here. And again, these don't have the white edges. Beautiful, like peony type flowers. Just lovely. Look how beautiful these are. Rose, look at this one. Just looking straight on. Really, really rich colors. Yeah, it doesn't say those look the same. Just laser cut right on those. And then we have these guys, like a little bunch of the flowers. I think we saw a pattern similar like this one here, but different colors. You see that? Look at this. This one has a little greenery attached to it. And then we have the like more of a pinky rose there. And these little guys. Really, really pretty. So let me choose a card base, and we'll start building up a beautiful card. Guys, I think I'm going to go with this background and then this guy, right? Let's try that out. I love the dark color over here, but I think I'm going to go with this guy for today. And let's see. So we have gold and silver, so I'm going to go with a gold trim on this one too. And I was thinking about... Let's see. Oh, that's the silver one. Yeah, I was gonna say, I thought it was the last purple one. Yeah, your kindness means everything to me. That's what I was looking for. And you have different shades of blues and purples and like those violet kind of rich colors. Be really lovely. So I'm just gonna go through and like either have that there or here. I mean, you can also do landscape if you like. I mean, you can even have it coming out this way, right? Or tuck that, have everything over here. It's kind of different. Something to think about. I'm gonna glue this down though. Let's start there. So I'm just gonna get some glue all in the back of this and just pop it right dead center. All right, we have that. And then I'm just gonna build this up, and I'm thinking about adding some of these flowers. You know, we have that white edge and some don't, so I'm just trying to think of how I want to. I love that. That's so pretty. Some of these guys can be scattered throughout here. Right? Something like that. Ooh, okay. Just trying to... That one's a lot darker than what I'm going for. That's really pretty. I'm just debating if this should go in the front or towards the back. And I'm kind of going back towards these lighter ones. I don't believe there's left and rights on these, but let me see. I have that guy. This one's a different color, but it is, you know, left and right type going. That's pretty. And then, of course, we're going to have some height and things like that. Okay, so do not worry there. Maybe that guy. Oh, the little bird's so cute, too. Or both of them, right? We have lots to play with. That's so cute. He could be on there. Okay, so let's put that there. And let me put some dimensionals behind some of these things. I think I'm really happy with the cluster I came up with here. Get a little bit closer for you guys. And a lot of times I place something and I really like it. I don't want to move it too much. And so what I'm going to do is, not those, this one, yeah. I'm going to take the backings off of these little guys here. And you can do that trick when you use cling wrap and put it on here and lift it up, because the cling wrap will hold on to this. And I mean press and seal, not just like saran wrap. But I'm gonna kind of get my fingers under here, get a couple of those guys there. That looks good. This I'll probably pop up too, but maybe a little bit less dimensional. Actually, I'm not gonna play with that quite yet. These guys in the back, I'm just gonna glue them down. So I'm just gonna put some glue back in here, just trusting that it's coming out. Okay, same thing for this one. I'm just gonna lift it up and put some glue behind it. Okay, so we have those guys. This guy's essentially stuck down that way. And then behind these guys, I'll probably also put some dimensional. So again, without moving it too much, just so that this top bit has a little something. Now there's some movement within everything that's going on here. I just like the way it came out, so I didn't want to mess with it too much. Sorry, hold on. Nope. It's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna lift this up now, and because basically these guys, I want it to be flat down here, so I'm just gonna put some glue back in here and hold that down. And this little guy, we can kind of judge his little. I'm gonna put it on this side. And so I like to put glue just down the center and let the wings kind of come up a little bit. Okay. And again, you have greenery, just green pieces if you want to just come in and fill things in, like you go, you know, back in there if I was going to do that, but I think I'm happy with what I'm seeing here. I'll be right back. I held that down, and then the last piece, I'm just going to put some dimensionals behind this guy. I'll be right back. And I'm just going to pop this right here. And I eyeballed everything as far as centerness, so just, there we go. And that is my card. I mean, just a few pieces, and it looks really abundant and beautiful. Love the rich colors in this kit. Just lovely. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images coming up. I will have links again as appropriate down in the description box, possibly embedded in the video. And I will see you all at the next one. Look at that. Just lovely.